This video is sponsored by Gelato. Sign up today and get up to 50% off your first order. Baseball caps are a very popular item with consumers all over the world. These hats can be great additions to your print-on-demand Etsy shop or your own online store. In this video, I walk through how to design ball caps inside of Gelato, which is a premium print-on-demand supplier. I also get the ball caps shipped right to my house so we can see how they look. Let's jump in. All right, let's design some ball caps on Gelato. First thing I'm going to do here is on the left-hand side, I'm going to go to the product catalog, and I'm going to scroll down and look for hats. Now I'm going to see a bunch of hats here, but before you jump in and select a product, make sure that you've got your shipping region set up top here. There's a bunch of different options, and it'll give you back the applicable results for that shipping region. So here I'm going to scroll down here to dad hats, and we can see there's a couple that are Europe exclusives, and so they're coming up as unavailable. So do you really want to make sure that that shipping region is selected? Here I'm going to take a look at these two options. The first one here is a North America exclusive Flex Fit 6277. Let's jump in on that one. I'm going to click it. This is a great looking product, and what I love is there's embroidery available. So that's what I'm going to do here. So first and foremost, I'm going to select the color of my hat. I really like a dark gray. And now I'm going to go in and I'm going to actually order this product. So I'm going to click Create Order. And now I can design my actual product. So the first thing I'm going to do is click right here to drop my design. And then I have an option to choose a file that I can upload. All right, so the first design that I'm going to upload here is this Eiffel Tower image. And you'll notice when I move it, it's going to try to reset to be embroidered. So you'll see there, it's now embroidered right into the hat. Now I'm going to go to the text feature. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to click Add Text. And I've got a sample text here, so I'm just going to type the letter P. That's it. I'm going to move this over, make it nice and big, and I'm going to put it right here off to the side. And we'll see that it automatically starts to embroider. So I'm just going to make this a tiny bit bigger, and then I'm going to select the text font, and I'm going to do that by clicking up here at the top, and I'm going to scroll on down, and I'm going to see what sort of font I would like to use. Now I do want to point out some of the fonts have little crowns next to them, and those are premium fonts. So depending on your plan, you may or may not be able to use those fonts. There's lots of free fonts here though. So you want to scroll on through. There's actually hundreds and hundreds of fonts. So really take your time and find something that really speaks to you. Okay, and I've clicked Largo EF as my P font here. So the letter P, I'm going to make this nice and big, and then I'm going to select the font button here, and I'm going to pick from my palette of different font colors. So in this case, I'm going to pick black. Now you may have guessed this Eiffel Tower is going to be my A in the design. So I'm going to put it right there. Now I've gone too big in this case here, so I'm going to have to move this over and squish this down a tiny bit so that it all fits in to my design. And I'm really happy with the way that looks. So here I'm going to click Add to Order. Now if you need to edit this order, that's okay. When you click on orders, you can actually pull up the order. Right now it's just saved as a draft, and I'm actually going to click Edit. That's going to take me right back into the design or into the product, because you'll notice there's a size here, and the person I'm getting this hat for is actually a small through medium, so I'm actually going to select a different size there. And now I'm going to click Save. And I just make it a habit of double checking here. It says S/M, which is small/medium, dark gray, embroidery, front. Wonderful. I do want to point out as well, if you're making a design, there is a digitization fee, and that will increase the price. So make sure you're including that if you're selling items that have embroidery. They're considered high-end, and they do involve a setup fee. All right, and now I'm going to select the second hat here. This is the Yupung 6245CM low profile cotton twill. And I'm going to click Create Order. I'm going to go to Files. I've actually already uploaded a picture of the Canadian flag, so I'm going to put that right there, right in the middle. And I love the way that looks. The interface inside of Gelato does a great job of mimicking what the actual embroidery would look like. How cool is that? And then I'm going to go to my text. I'm going to click Add Text. I'll just push this down below, and I'm going to type in the word Canada, and now I'm going to pick a nice font. In this case, I'm going to pick Oswald. And now I've got a really nice looking travel hat. You can always take a look at the different colors that are involved. Here you can make the hat orange, for example. I actually really like this stone one. I think I'm going to go with that. All right, so I'm really happy with the way this looks. I'm going to continue to shipping. Through the magic of YouTube editing, we're going to see these hats right now as they arrive at my house. I'll put a link to Gelato in the video description below. Just a heads up, it is an affiliate link, and that just means if you purchase anything through the Gelato link, I would receive a small commission. I highly recommend Gelato. I use them for print on demand. I love their quality and I love their shipping. The ball caps arrived, and I'm quite happy overall with how they turned out. First, let's look at the product itself. If you thought that all ball caps were the same, think again. The cotton twill dad cap is very soft, so if your customer likes a soft hat that is flexible, then this is a great option. The fitted baseball cap has a much harder surface. You can't dent the front, so the form is much more static. The fitted baseball cap also has no adjustment option in the back. Now, this is a very popular option with some customers, not having that latch in the back. The fitted baseball cap also offers what is called flex fit. So the whole hat is flexible. It's kind of like sweatpants that can be stretched out. The twill dad cap, on the other hand, is more traditional and it has an adjustable latch in the back. The embroidery on both hats is top notch. I'm really happy with the quality of the product, and the design printing is sharp and has crisp edges. So if you're looking for a high-end option, you can't go wrong with the embroidered hats. They look expensive, they are actually high quality, and the embroidery will allow the hat to last a long time, which is great for customers. It's a great option if you're selling these on Etsy or your own website. I really hope you found this video helpful, and here's another video showcasing how great Gelato is for your print-on-demand needs.